Hey everybody, my name's Nate. I'm also a student here at Columbus State in their dental hygiene program. Now we're going to talk to you about how to properly put gloves on and take them off. The first thing you want to do when putting gloves on is make sure you have the correct size. For me, that's a medium. When you go ahead and put the gloves on, you're going to put them on just like any other pair of gloves that you have in your life. Grab them at the wrist and pull them nice and tight so that they fit tightly around your fingers, around your fingertips, and that the wrist is covered. We'll go ahead and do that for the other side too. Alright, we should be good there. Now we're going to go ahead and work into taking them off. So think about your gloves, and the contamination is on the outside. You don't want to touch that. So you're going to do your best to grab near the wrist. You're going to invert the glove here. Now you can go ahead and crumple this up on your other hand, and then again make sure the contamination stays on the outside of this glove. So you're going to reach on the inside of your wrist here and invert the glove that way. Then you can go ahead and properly dispose of them, and you always want to make sure to hand sanitize after taking off a pair of gloves. Alright, so now you're in a situation where you're wearing not only a mask but a pair of gloves. The correct order to take these off is that you want to do the gloves first because you don't want to bring the contaminated gloves near or around your face. So you're going to use that method that we talked about earlier to take the pair of gloves off. We'll go ahead and dispose of those then, and then again use your small pinky finger to take off your mask. We're going to go and throw that away, and then as always make sure that you hand sanitize afterwards.